In the heart of the night, where shadows play, a blacksmith stands where the embers sway. With hands like iron and spirit like flame, in the dance of the forge, he carves his name. The hearth is alive, a pulsating glow, where passion meets metal, where spirits flow. With each strike of the hammer, a symphony sings, as sparks like fireflies take flight on their wings. The anvil rings true with the thunderous chime, as the steel yields softly to the rhythm of time. Heat waves shiver around, a liquid embrace. In the glow of the forge, I have found my place. Red heart rings true with the thunderous chime, as the steel yields softly to the rhythm of time. Heat waves shiver around, a liquid embrace. In the glow of the forge, I have found my place. Red hot the metal, like the dawn of a dream. Coils of warmth on rise in the air they seem to whisper of strength, of courage unbent. In the heat of creation, my heart's intent. My love for this craft, like the iron it binds. In the glowing contagion, a passion that finds the beauty in labor, the joy in the strain. A legacy forged in each drop of my sweat and pain. So rise, oh bright sparks, like stars in the night. Illuminate shadows, turn darkness to light. For in this sacred dance, with a hammer in hand, I shape not just metal, but the world as I stand. Here amidst the forge, where the wild spirits play, I breathe in the warmth, let the cold slip away. In the heart of the fire, my soul finds its song. For I am the blacksmith, where heat and glow belong.